All right, everyone. So, rivers form deltas. A delta is a landform that forms from the deposition, the depositing of sediment as it flows. All of this sediment has to end up somewhere. And we see this with virtually all rivers. These deltas. However, with the Grand Canyon, we have a missing delta. All of this sediment material is missing, and it's quite the mystery to these scientists. But the folks in the electric universe community have this to say. All images of the Grand Canyon from space reveal similar morphology. There are scalloped edges along its rim. So-called hanging canyons are perpendicular to the main channel. The side branches are Lichtenberg figures. The riverbed is narrow, while the main canyon is much wider, and the walls of the canyon are predominantly vertical. Birkeland currents caused by the interaction of charged bodies might act like plasma torches, excavating the bedrock and then drawing it up the secondary discharge vortex. Just as a welding arc accelerates matter against gravity, rock and dust will be hurled into space. Thus, the Grand Canyon's material is not found in a delta because it is no longer on Earth. This also means that it could be far younger than its estimated millions of years, since radiometric dating systems would have been completely randomized by the electromagnetic effects of interplanetary lightning bolts. Therefore, fossils and stratigraphic placement needed to be seen from a catastrophic viewpoint and may be useless when it comes to measuring their absolute age. And so please, tell me all about how this is not electric. It is completely beautiful and stunning and terrifying. And if you look it up, you can find these explanations for where this missing delta actually is, and it's all a bit esoteric and sketchy. And I suppose these other mysterious features that we see in other canyons, this was all done by water as well, right? Couldn't possibly be electric zapping the chaotic ancient serpent, that ancient dragon that the ancients personified, this electricity, into the dragon and the serpent, the evil light-bearing Lucifer. No, this must have just been water. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night.